I'm going to show you a live demonstration of how Dragon Naturally Speaking dictation software works. So I've got it open here. You can see the toolbar up here for Dragon, and I'm in a blank Google document. So when it's red, I just need to click it, turn it on green to begin dictating. So I am now dictating into the Google document, period. It actually goes first to the dictation box, period. Once I am finished, I will transfer it by hitting the transfer button, period. And as you can see, it just moves the text directly over to the Google Doc, and everything is 100% accurate that I spoke. So this is a good demonstration of the accuracy. You can also, though, dictate directly into a Word document. So let's try that. Okay, here is a Microsoft Word document. We will dictate straight into this. I am now dictating directly into the Microsoft Word document, period. This is a bit more efficient than transferring to a Google document, period. You only have to dictate and it's already there, period. Isn't this easier? Question mark. And you can see everything I just said is 100% accurate. And as long as you speak clearly and not too slowly, but also not too fast, then you should have really good results once you've trained the software to recognize your voice, which is really a process that takes maybe a minute or two. So as I've written, there are numerous applications for dictation software. It can allow you to not only write stories, but also transfer information. You can use this as your journaling tool. You can do this when you're driving or you're away from your desk. There are a lot of different tools that allow you to talk and let the voice recognition software turn that into a very accurate written text. So hopefully you take advantage of this and find as many ways to use it as I have. It's been a wonderful tool. So Dragon Naturally Speaking is definitely the best dictation software I've found, but if you're on the move and you don't have a computer nearby, you can still use a lot of different methods for dictating into your smartphone. So one of the apps I've used quite a bit, which works well and is cheap, is Dictate, which is available for the iPhone in the App Store. And here's a couple of screenshots showing you basically how it functions. So this is the main screen, and when you come in, first thing you want to do is click the Setup button up here, and that will allow you to go in and choose your language and text size and a few little things here. And then you're really ready to go. So you can click Start at the bottom, and it will allow you to start dictating. When you're done talking, you hit stop, and really the same rules apply. You need to speak steadily and clearly. The accuracy is not as good as you'll find with Dragon, but still pretty good. And then once you've stopped and you've saved that text there, you can, if you've got the subscription version of this, you can hit send, and it will just allow you to email that directly to yourself. And if you don't want to pay for the subscription, you can even use the free version and just hit copy. And so once you've copied, this is an easy way to do that. You've got it now stored on the phone, and you can go to your Notes app on the iPhone, and then you just go into a new note and hit paste, and it will put all the text in there. And now you can hit the send button there within the Notes app. So a couple extra steps that way, but you don't have to pay for the app in order to be able to do this. So anyway, very quick and easy way to dictate stuff while you're on the move, or you're in your car, or you're away from your desk. The other thing I will note is you'll end up with a lot of files eventually with all these dictation tools that you're using and maybe on different devices, and so it's good to keep those stored in the same place. So I would recommend that if you haven't watched it already, go watch tip 73, the video for that, and it will give you some tips on how to share and copy and transfer your dictation files or any other files across devices.